Pode abrir? É assalto, é medo de assalto.
Mas você cobre a placa?
Hã?
Você cobre a placa?
Tentaram me roubar já, mano. Aí eu tive que fugir.
6-3.
Hã?
Vocês 3.
É, meu amigo é policial que tá junto.
Tira o capacete. Liga o nome. Policial da onde?
Oi?
Policial da onde?
Ele tá ali, ó.
Ele é da onde?
Não sei.
É sua moto?
É minha.
Tem passagem?
É. Tá errado. E aí, meu, em segurança, semana passada roubaram a moto do nosso grupo.
Viatura?
Não, certinho.
Pra trás um pouquinho.
Tá.
Isso é vídeo.
Ah, tá bom. Desculpa aí o transtorno. Desculpa aí.
I got that, he pushed me. Whoa! Up on it!
Yeah, I've got a tracker, massive tracker. Put it down, mate. He is not stopping. He is not stopping. Okay, run over the bikes. Everybody stay well clear of this tractor. Okay, he's got the bucket. He's got the bucket. He's driving into a, okay, he's driving into the railway line. He's just broken the gate. He's going to be hitting the railway line. Mate, we're heading towards the, just give us room to get. I've got my partner.
Back out the back, I'm in the bush. I've got all his clothing in the creek.
Good boy, mate, good boy.
The limit, huh?
It's below the limit.
Yes, to the limit.
Okay, so I'll show you the tire. So here in Luxembourg, the limit for the tire is 1.6 millimeters. So here in the middle, we are below this one. So yeah. No. Yeah, that's a fine of 145 euro, and you're losing here 2 points in Luxembourg. So, and also here for the turn indicators and for the rear lights, we are not in proper shape, so we have no valid homologation. So this is another fine of 74 euro.
This is the valuable
The other thing is here in Luxembourg, you have to, it's another fine. It's another fine of 74 euro.
Yeah, you're gonna get all the fines, right? But like you want to
It's
get
my
that?
job. So
Yes, but in Holland they say the
So
tire
it's-
is gone. Fix
No.
it. We are gone tonight.
yeah.
So the tire should not be.
Yeah, it's in.
You can be a
It's in
human.
Holland.
You can
No,
be
it's
human,
in
right?
Holland. It's here in
Nobody's
Luxembourg.
woman in Luxembourg.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I think this is strict. This is the law. That's good. But you can also have a little bit of invitation, have a little bit of, how do you say, hospitality. Like this is an issue. It's like the tire is good enough. It still works. It worked yesterday. It will work tomorrow. It's like a lot of money for just metrics.
Yeah.
And I changed the tire
Yeah. Okay.
next Tuesday. I'm gone tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why this much money? I mean, I get the message. You're the boss. I'm and I don't like this. I think it's too much. I think you're overstepping the law.
No, we are not, sir. Please stay calm.
I am calm. Oh, no worries. I'm just
Okay.
making a point, and I'm gonna move on.
Yeah, I can understand. We have different law in Luxembourg than in the Netherlands.
Yes, but we also have.
I also
different
bought the
attitudes.
bike from the Netherlands. I know the problems, but
It's just
that's
attitude,
why
right?
I only take you the noise, and for the rest,
This is very kind of you, and your colleague.
You are made more human than your
that's
colleague.
okay.
He could be
So-
learning.
Can we just
Yes, we
can
can.
put the phone?
How much is it?
Salzburg.
Okay.
Good. Done already?
Good.
Since you are riding normally, it's all okay for me so far. Okay, so this is your receipt from the
Yeah,
visa.
thank you, Tom.
This is your official interface.
Excellent. So we will be here till tomorrow.
Yes,
Then we leave.
yes.
If we ride the bike and we meet you again, do we have the same issue?
No, for me, if you put the DB killer, your colleague told me that he rather do with that. You put the DB killer in, and then for me it's okay.
Good, thank you.
No big issue for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Vad sa du?
Nå har du over satan på støtten, og så har det gått der.
Nei, ikke nå. Nei. Det er bare stress ned. Du er ikke sånn på fartskontroll, selv om vi har det. Ikke så han ordentlig.
Jo da, jeg så det.
Ja.
Det kan jo være greit.
Ja da, men han reagerte på at du vinglet litt grann.
Ja, det gjorde han med vilje. Jeg kjørte bare litt sånn fritt og kjente på. Jeg filmet litt sånn fjell og sånt.
Nei! Filmer meg også, jo! Nei, det er greit. Orker du ikke å poste mitt fjes på noen sånne nettsider og det er så synd. Plutselig kommer det en eller annen galning og stikker med bruggen med kniven. Ja, men jeg tenkte på at det kanskje var noe sånt. Men du skal nok lov å blåse.
Ja, det er fint.
Det er fint. Ja, det er jo deilig. Nå våren er kommet nå og...
Ja, det var litt kjølig her oppe da. Det må jeg...